Hey guys, Benny here. As you can see, the patrol in the background here decided to blow a diff. Unfortunately, I happened to be in Brisbane when it happened. But anyway, here, don't know if you can see or not, but down in there, right there, 3 teeth missing. So I got myself another one, but it has the small LSD. So I'm going to swap them over, put the big one in there, this one into the junk, and then I can put all this nice and fresh back in the patrol out there. I think I'm going to need myself a bigger rattle gun. This one doesn't seem to be able to do it. Going to my little stash of stuff. I don't know if this one's a bit too big. Ooh yeah, maybe. I don't know if that might be just too big. Okay. I need to find myself a socket that'll fit first, to be honest. Bear with me, I'll find some. Well, finally, after struggling with numerous rattle guns, this one's undone. Still need to undo that one. Unfortunately, I don't have an attachment for my 3/4 to 1/2 inch. May have to go out and buy one, which is probably going to be the smartest option. But now you can see. I don't know. She no good. This one, good. Now, when you're doing this, make sure to have both the surfaces pretty clean. I'll just open this up a bit more for the... I don't know if that'll go all the way. Might do. There we go. One of the advantages of having an old fella leave his stuff behind, get stuff like this. Yeah, with all of these, you're obviously going to want to put Loctite back on them. That's why Loctite wants to come out. Come on, there we go. Don't overdo it, because then you'll never get the bloody bastard back off again. Ooh. I have a funny feeling they may not fit. Yep. We're going to have to use the other ones because these are too short because they're for the small type. Right. Now that that's being torqued to spec, 2 ugga duggers, we can put him, put this one back in the vise. Start reassembly. What's this one? Those rings. Oh, I'm gonna get my fingers here on. Nope. Why didn't this have washers? Where are the washers? Do you not want them? Maybe not. Anyway, reassembly, not the hardest thing. Well, if you have the right socket. Turn him here. Right, now this here with the grease will show you where your gears are meshing. There we go, go in. There, pulled it away. Yeah, we've cleared it there and there. Probably needs to be a little bit looser. So now we've got him finished up. It's all in there. Got where I think would be the perfect amount of backlash. You can just hear it. Not too tight, not too loose. And seems to be pushing my grease in pretty good, so that's what we wanted. Now to go put it in the car, I suppose. But before we do that, we're going to have to clean out everything in that. I'm pretty sure there's still a lot of shards in there. So we'll get to that first. So that was the hard part. Now it's got to put all the bolts on it. Put the bung back in. Put some axles back in. Got myself some new brakes put on too. I'll show you those shortly. But yeah. Be so glad to drive this again. Now that that's all done, I'm going to start putting wheels back on it. Big idiot me decided to put 37s on it, didn't I? Like an idiot. There we go. I'm not going to lie, that's an effort. Last thing to do is put some oil in it, drop it down, and see if it moves. Take it for a test drive and see if it'll move. Hey? Oh, tell you what, it's been a long time since I've driven this. 2 weeks. Right, go forwards.